Hello, welcome back to Fallout 4. I found a dog. His name is Peabody. I think it's a yellow lab. Hello. Dog rescue. Adopt the yellow Labrador. That's right. I've gained the trust of the yellow Labrador. I should adopt it and send it to a settlement. But where would I send it? I'll send it to Abernathy because they seem to have a hard time being happy for some reason. Let's try renaming it. That's appropriate. Apparently it just cycles through a list of names. Wish you could just type something in. Jeez, I don't know. Kimbo. Mojo. Shadow would be a good name for a black lab. Daisy. Lola. I don't friggin' know. Getting back some old ones again. Yeah, Blondie seems appropriate, I guess. No. Isn't Mako the name of a dog in Skyrim? Came up with these names. Miko is fine. Abernathy. With that, we've completed dog rescue. I've adopted the yellow Labrador and sent it to live at a settlement. I think I've done pretty much all the Creation Club content I can with the Anniversary Edition. I say that because I've actually started several quests, but haven't been able to finish them or even progress some of them because of issues, either notes not spawning that need to be read, or items that need to be interacted with, or bodies that need to be searched. They are not spawning or they have despawned, so I'm curious if anyone else has had that issue. But yeah, I'll keep playing for now. I'll do any videos on new quests that I start. I'll keep working on settlements. If anyone wants to see those, let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, leave a like and consider subscribing. I would appreciate it.